Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a versatile and robust option for those seeking an efficient mode of transportation. Available in 500W, 800W, and 1200W variants, it caters to a range of needs, making it suitable for urban commuting or weekend adventures. One standout feature is the 20-inch off-road tires. These tires provide excellent traction and stability, allowing the scooter to tackle various terrains, from city sidewalks to rugged trails. The ride quality is smooth, absorbing bumps effectively and ensuring a comfortable experience even on uneven surfaces. The scooter's sturdy build contributes to its reliability, instilling confidence whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road paths. The Caroma Peak offers impressive range options, with choices of 15, 25, or 30 miles on a single charge. This flexibility allows users to select a model that best suits their commuting needs. For daily city trips, the lower range may be sufficient, while the higher range is perfect for those who enjoy longer rides or require additional distance for work or leisure activities. The inclusion of a seat is another significant advantage, particularly for longer journeys. The seat is comfortably padded and adjustable, providing support that can alleviate fatigue during extended rides. This feature sets it apart from many other electric scooters that prioritize a standing-only design. Performance-wise, the scooter accelerates smoothly and has a top speed that varies depending on the model, with the 1200W version being particularly zippy. The throttle response is commendable, and the braking system feels reliable, enhancing safety during rides. In terms of portability, the scooter is relatively easy to fold, making it convenient for transport and storage. Its weight is manageable, allowing for quick maneuvering when needed. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a well-rounded choice, combining power, versatility, and comfort, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their mobility.